you go. Walnuts. Gonna help me? Gonna help me? Gonna help me with the walnuts? Ow. Getting angry at the walnuts. Yeah? Now what? Want to crack one for you? Yeah. There you go. It's a bit cracked. Careful. You're going through them. You're going through them. There you go. Careful. Yep. Yay. All right. Good? Yeah? Yeah? And how's your walnut? Good? Yeah. That good? Didn't know they were that good. Wow. Yeah. Yummy? Yeah. Now you're excited. Good walnut? Yeah. Didn't even know you liked walnuts, Elvis. Didn't know. No, I didn't. Good stuff, eh? Yeah. That is good. What? Need to crack them all? Yeah. Not just to feed you. No, we live here too. Yeah. Not just walnuts for you. Hey, mind that beak. Don't bite. Hey, you dinosaur. You're so angry. May I ask you? Yeah, you look at those walnuts and you think about it. Think about it. Yes? Yes? Good walnuts? Good. Yep. Be nice, huh? Yeah, be nice. Be nice. Oh, just getting a walnut. Staying away from your beak. How's the walnut? Still good? No? You're done with it? You're done with it? What's up? What is it? Bye-bye. Okay. Not gonna help me anymore? No? Just gonna sit here and scream. That's your plan, is it? That's your plan? Yeah? You have a master plan? You do? Do you have a master plan, Elvis? Wanna help? Are you gonna help? Come. Go help. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. I know you can help. Did you just poo on the table? That's not cool. That's not cool, Elvis. No. Yummy. You found it. Put your beak in there again. Yeah. Good stuff, huh? Yeah. That is good stuff indeed. That's it? Back to screaming? That's yours, you can eat it. That's you. In the camera. Where are you going? Can you reach it? No? Hey, got something. Hey, you got something. Oh, here it is. Hold it. Good boy. And now you're gonna drop it all on the table. Do you mind this side? Yeah. Here's your walnut. Here it is. Whoop. Yeah. No, not this side. This side. There you go. Hold it. I think you're on your own from now on. Yeah, you're on your own. It's a good view right there. Yeah, right there. Oh, oh, you got it. You got it. Hey, who's got it? You did. Sorry. And you're even eating it as I asked you to. Who's the best bird? It is? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah? Yeah? Good walnut? Yeah? It's a whole walnut. Only for you, Elvis. A whole walnut for you alone. Can you believe that? What's going on? Noises from outside? Yeah. Enjoying your walnut? No complaints over there. All good? Quietly eating? Toto. Where you going? You put on the table again, Elvis. Where are you going? Hmm? Bye-bye. Come. Drink water. Yeah. Good now? Yeah. These walnuts make you thirsty. Hmm? Walnuts make you thirsty? Yeah, they do. Them walnuts, yeah, make you thirsty. Gotta drink so much. Where you going? You just came and now you left. There you go. Yeah. Not gonna sit here anymore. No? You're bored? Had your walnut and you're done. Okay. Yeah? No more helping. That's it. You want the shell? Have a shell. Hmm. Good? It's so good, right? Yeah. I like crushing it. There you go. Works perfect, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Nice shell. Oh, so cool. The best shell you've ever had, isn't it? Another one. There you go. This one's softer. Yeah. Can crush it better, right? Yeah. It's crushable as long as it's crunchy. It works for Elvis, doesn't it? It doesn't. Keeps you busy, that shell. Yeah, you like crunching it? Yeah. Nice stuff, yeah. What? Dropped it? You did? Want another one? Yeah. There you go. So crunchable. So cool. These are dropped it. Although it's a big shell. Big one. Is it nice? Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah. You have to hold it some longer than that, you know? There you go. Getting angry at it? Wait. What happened? Nothing? No? But nope. Are you angry? Are you angry? plate, Boo Boo. Hey. Hey, you. Just so you know, leave my bag alone. I do not appreciate your poo's in the plate. No, you're not getting your beak in there. That's your plate where you put in. That one. Yep, that one. Yeah, that one. Mm-hmm. Do you mind facing the camera? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good walnut. Oh, dropped it. Dropped it. There you go. Good. Now that's better. So much better. Mm-hmm. Good stuff. Yeah. So good. It's so good. This is almost like a foraging toy for you, huh? You have to get the walnut out of the shell. You gotta work for it, sort of, a little bit. At least you gotta hold it. That for sure. Hit around the wall and throw the wall. Get your beak in there. Oh, hello. What happened? What happened? Slippery? It's slippery. Yeah, slipped. Yeah, on the back. Yeah. Oh. So invested in that walnut. Oh, oh, oh. This is your mini project. This is your mini project. That is also tasty. That's your natural foraging. And now you dropped it. Now what? Gonna put on the table again. That's what you do, eh? Not in the bowl again. I'm watching you. There you go. As expected. Yeah, on the table. Tap. Tap. You good? You want it back? Yeah. Are you done with it? I think you're done with it. You full of walnuts? Who's full of walnuts? Who's a walnut bird? Who's a walnut bird? Yeah, that's you. A bit too close. Yeah, a bit too close. You're too close. Got something in your beak? Got some walnut left over? Yeah? Got walnut left over? No, that's not your bowl. This is your bowl, the one you put in. This one. Oh, that's the tail. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Here, come. There you are. No, don't wanna be there. Here are your crumbs, Elvis. Thank you for helping me. That was very helpful. Yep. That was very helpful. Yep. Enjoy your crumbs and your pellets. You're the best helper. You're one of a kind. Yeah, you're one of a kind helper. Enjoy the result of your work. The crumbs. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy. We will speak later, okay? Yeah, we speak later. All right. The walnut never gets old. Yeah, so good. So good. Okay, let you eat. Give you privacy? Yeah, give you privacy. Give you privacy. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay.